Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I want to show you how to download and install Dramabox on your Android TV with the Aurora App Store. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the Dramabox application on your Android TV or any TV that has an Android operating system using the Aurora Store, this is what you have to do. So on your TV, go over to the Aurora Store. Now, if you don't know how to install Aurora Store, in the description of this video, I have added a link that is going to guide you on installing the Aurora Store to your TV. So after installing the Aurora Store, what you need to do is to go ahead and launch it. Now, once you launch it and log in, this is how your account should look like, or your home page should look like. So we are looking for the Dramabox application. So what you need to do is to browse down to the category that says entertainment. So here's it over here. And if you browse through, you're going to see Dramabox somewhere here. Here's the application, Dramabox, stream drama. So you can click on it over here and you are going to get the install button here. And if your TV has an Android operating system, or if your TV is an Android TV, all you need to do here is just to click on install, and the application is going to be installed to your TV. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.